Ready to build your own calling app and ditch those expensive phone bills? First, sign up for a free Twilio account. You'll need this to access their Programmable Voice API, our magic ingredient after signing up. Grab your account SID and auth token from the Twilio dashboard. Keep these safe. They're like the key to your app. Next, design your user interface. Think simple. A text field for entering the phone number, a call button, and an end call button are all you really need. Now, let's bring that design to life. Use HTML to structure your app, CSS to style it, and JavaScript to add the interactivity. This is where the magic happens when the user presses the call button. Your JavaScript code needs to send a request to the Twilio API, passing the destination phone number. Use Twilio's documentation to understand how to handle both incoming and outgoing calls. This includes managing audio streams and gracefully ending calls. Congratulations, you've just built a fully functional calling app with Twilio. Now, get creative and explore the endless possibilities with Twilio's Programmable Voice API.